Hi all, welcome back. This is part 12 and last part for this series 4. Here I will show you how one Lambda function will call the another Lambda function. Right. So agenda for doing this, we will create a IAM role for the Lambda functions, and we will create a Lambda function 1 using Python, and we will use the default Python code for one function 1. And after that, we will create a Lambda function 2 using Python, and we will run a default Python code 2. Then test, we will do a Lambda function 1, we will run it, and we will see that how it is calling Lambda function 1 to Lambda function 2. After doing testing, we are delete, as usual, we will delete all those resources which we have used here for that demo, right? So let's go and start to demo, and first we need to create the IAM role. So I am opening that console and creating the role over here, and you can see we need to select the Lambda, and you can see policy. We need to add some policy over here. First one is AWS Lambda execute. I'm selected. Now next one, AWS Lambda basic executive role. I think in all my Lambda's POC in this series, I use the same policy. So you can create a one role for that for using all those videos. And AWS Lambda role, we are using 3 policy here. And after that, this is I've given the name Lambda basic education role. This is the role, and we are using 3 policies over there, and role is created successfully, right? Now role is created, so we will go to the function here. Next step, you can see creating a Lambda function, and Lambda function 1, first one. So go and create the function. We will give the name Lambda function 1 and select the Python 3.8, right? And permissions, we will select the roles using existing roles, and you can select this role, right? And create the function, right? So first function is created. And for the second, and for that, we will go and copy and paste this code over there. I will explain that code in a while. And we will just clicking it and just changing this code. Actually, this is the error .1h, and this one. You can see we are using Boto 3 here, and you are using Boto 3, and Boto 3 we are calling the client, invoking Lambda, and Lambda and region US East 1, right? And your payload, we are sending the messages. We are in Lambda 1. You have been invoked, right? This is a function 1 we are saying, and after that we are invoking the function Lambda function 2. So we have given the Lambda function 2 here. First, I will not deploy here because it is still Lambda function 2 is not created here, right? And after that, it will go to the Lambda function 2 and give the output from that place, and we will get, when we will run this, we will get both the output, right? So I am parking this thing here, and I am going back to the function again. Now, what is written in the PPT? Nothing else, right? So I'm going back to the PPT and creating the Lambda function 2, right? So let me create one more function, Lambda function 2, and it is showing Python 3.8, and we are giving the permissions. Lambda basic fusion, and we are creating the function here, right? This function is created over here. And we will go and we will check here this one, so I think same function is written over there. We are just printing the event and response, right? You can see already it is there. So we can do one thing. We can copy only 2 lines from there because rest of the codes are same, right? Return function is same. And just I'm copying it here. It is showing indentation error. So it is print, right? Event and return it will response. We are in function 2. Thanks for calling. So this return only in this lambda function 2 when it is so lambda function we are in function 2, right? I will respond. So I'm just deploying it to deploy it, right? Now we need to call test lambda function once, right? So we have done, we deployed these changes. Now go back to the function lambda function 1. I'm opening this lambda function 1, right? And you can see here, this is lambda function 2 is the I'm going to deploy it, right? To deploy it. Now let's check what is written over in this PPT, right? So function 1. So we need to go and test it. So for testing this thing, we are just click on test, and event name I am doing test function, and we are going to create it, right? It is created, and you can see test one is test function is showing here. And now again we are going to test it. It will be executing the both things, right? So you can see here we are getting some error. Line 9, right? Invalid character is there, right? I think copy paste we have done and we got some error, right? So go and check it out. What is this in the lambda number 9? Yeah, you can see here it is showing double quotes like that. That is the issue. This is the code issue, right? So you can see it is showing now. It is looking correct, right? So let me correct in the PPT also. Same issue. See, this is error because when you are copying and pasting in the PPT, it is changing the sign. So I'm going to copy it. Now it's okay, right? So again, I'm deploying it, right? And I'm testing it again, right? Let's check. You can see it is showing we are in function 2. Thanks for calling. Hello from lambda. Now it is we are getting this response from the function 2, right? Right. We are sending the payload over here, this one, and we are getting that message from the payload 2. Let me open one more lambda function here, so we can compare it, right? Lambda function 1 is open, lambda function 2 it's there, right? See, it is showing return response. We are in function 2. Thanks for calling, right? So it is a return payload has changed here, for we are calling from payloads. We are taking from that another function, right? So output is showing here. We are in function 2. Thanks for calling, right? So we are running this lambda function 1 here. We are getting the output from lambda function 2. Right? It means it is calling both functions, right? So we have done this demo, I think, and now next step, what we need to do. Okay, we've done delete the resources. We need to go. Okay, I will show you log into CloudWatch also. Let me open the CloudWatch, and I'm refreshing it. You can see this is showing here, and you can see 2 logs are the here, one for the correct one and for the incorrect one. You can see we are getting the response. Thanks for calling, right? And it started and it is ending, right? And other one was throwing the error because you got some special character in this line. You can see this error is still showing over here, line, and we have invalid character in identifier, right? More things you can see in the CloudWatch, and you can see the log function for the function 2 also, and it is showing over here, right? We had function 1, you have been invoked, right? This is showing here. So we have done those things. So just go and delete the log files because we are deleting the resources. Just delete it. It is deleted, right? Now go to the Lambda function 1 functions, and I'm going to delete one by one. Right, it is deleted, right? So both one is deleted. Now go, we can check it out. Lambda function is deleted. We deleted the CloudWatch. Now we need to go to delete the IAM role, right? So last step is IAM role. This one, we have created this one. So we are going to delete the role. So we have done this side now. This is the last video for this series, and this series we have covered multiple types, multiple services for AWS. You can see this series 4 we covered CloudFront, Route 53, custom domain with certificate, EFS, DynamoDB, Beanstalk, CloudFormation, OpsWorks, SNS, SQS, SES, and CloudWatch and Lambda function. I have covered all those services. And next series 5, I will come with VPC things. So we'll come back again with the new series. Thanks for watching this series 4, and this is last video. And if you like this video, please like my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching and happy learning. I'll meet with the next series. Bye bye.